This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 27BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features a River Rock interior, sleeps 10, Skylight, microwave, spare tire kit, awning, stovetop burner, external shower, smoke detector, air conditioning, oven, water heater, and 55 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 27BH is 7,962 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.